Hello boys, today's topic is crops of the world. So we can divide the crops in three parts: food crops, cash crops and beverage crops. So first we study about the food crops. Food crops are those which are used for human consumptions. Rice, wheat, maize are the major food crops of the world. We mean to say that these are the crops which people usually use in their life for the livelihood. So first we talk about the rice. Rice is the most important food crop of the world. It is the staple food about 50% of the world's population, and rice needs a warm temperature, and it is a crop of tropical climate. India and China are the leading producers of the rice in the world. In India, West Bengal is the largest producer of rice in India. Next is wheat. Wheat is the main food crop of the countries in the middle latitudes, and it's need a temperate region and grows well in the cool climate. Russia, USA, China, Canada, India, France, Argentina, Australia are the main producers of the wheat. And India is the fourth largest producer of the wheat in the world. Next is maize. Maize is an important cereal crop. It is used as a food as well as a fooder. USA is the largest producer of the maize. Then China, Russia, Brazil and Argentina are the other producers of the maize. Now next topic is cash crop. Cash crop is that in which usually farmers grow these crops to sell the products in the market. Okay, so cash crop farming is a farming venture in which crops are grown to sell in the market. Naturally, it grows cash crop as a livelihood and to generate cash for the family needs. So first example of the cash crop is cotton. Cotton is the most important fiber of the world. It provides raw material to the cotton textile industries. It is a tropical crop and it can be cultivated where we have a frost-free days. China, USA, Pakistan and India are the major producers of the cotton in the world. In India, we find out cotton in Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and in Punjab. Next is jute. Jute is also known as the golden fiber of India. It is a tropical fiber plant and it grows well in the delta region of the Ganga Brahmaputra valley. It is used for manufacturing crops, carpets, ropes, strings, bags, etc. India and Bangladesh are the two leading producers of jute in the world. And in India, Bengal is the leading producer of jute. Next is sugarcane. Sugarcane is a tropical as well as a subtropical crop. It grows well in hot and humid climate. Brazil is the largest producer of the sugarcane. India, China, Thailand, Pakistan are the other producers of sugarcane. Next is rubber. Rubber is an equatorial crop, but under special condition it is grown in the tropical and subtropical areas. It requires moist and humid climate with rainfall more than 200 centimeter. Thailand, Indonesia and Vietnam are the three largest producers of the rubber in the world. In India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andaman Nicobar and Garo Hills of the Meghalaya are the producers. Next topic is coming beverage crops. Beverage means tea and coffee. Like coffee requires warm and wet climate, well drained loamy soil. Hill slopes are more suitable for growth of this crop. Brazil is the leading producer, followed by Colombia. Brazil, Colombia, Indonesia, Mexico are the major producers of the coffee in the world. Brazil is the major producer of the coffee in the world. Tea is a beverage crop grown on plantation. This requires cool climate and well disturbed high rainfall throughout the year for the growth of the tender leaves. Sri Lanka, China, India, Japan, Indonesia and Bangladesh are the major producers of tea. West Bengal and Assam are the largest tea producers states in India. Now next topic is coming the Green Revolution. What is Green Revolution? The stagnation in agriculture during the colonial rule was permanently broken by the Green Revolution. This refers to the large increase in the production of food grains resulting from the high use of high yielding variety seeds, especially for wheat and rice. In this, we use a very high technology things to grow the crops. The spread of Green Revolution technology enabled India to achieve self-sufficiency in food grains. Just to increase the productivity, we started yielding revenue to the farmers, implying rise to their disposable income. This has induced a percentile shift in crop growing. Fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, which once showed dramatic results, are now being held responsible for degrading the soil. Overuse of groundwater that has led to lowering of the water table. So, for sustainable agriculture growth, Indian farmers need to focus on the organic farming. Organic farming is eco-friendly technique for growing crops without the use of harmful fertilizers and pesticides. This will increase income and reduce environmental degradation simultaneously, because fruits, medicinal herbs, flowers, vegetables, biodiesel crops need much less irrigation than rice or sugarcane. India's diverse climate can has to grow a wide range of high value of crops. So, last is organic farming. Modern agriculture relies heavily on the chemical fertilizers and toxic pesticides etc., which enter the food supply. Penetrate the water source, harm the livestock, deplete the soil and devastable natural ecosystem. So, there is an urgent need for eco-friendly organic farming. So, this was the end of your chapter, boys. Now, we will do the question answers later on. You just revise the chapter and make it. If you have any query, just let me know through the comment box. Thank you.